Here we have the top LED lighting system. I have the double bed version, so actually I have 2 times of everything you see here, but basically you can buy 1 set or 2 sets. The 2 set ones are a little bit more affordable. So what it comes with are a AC adapter, so this is powered from the wall socket instead of USB, which is good. And there are the LED strip itself. These can be chained, but it comes with 1 basic chain. This brand is really good because their LEDs, if you can see it, are coated on top. So all the electronics are actually covered behind this little rubbery thing. So I think they will last much longer. It has a self-adhesive back, but honestly, none of the brands work really well. You really want to use double-sided tape yourself to make them stick a little bit better. It's LED itself. Then it comes with a motion controller, so you do not have to use it. So in fact, let me take this thing off for now and plug power directly into the LED. Right, so this is the basic setup. Power, LED strips, and you can chain them. Comes with a remote. The same remote works on all of the products. So this one actually is from another setup we have. You can control the colors. So red, and this is the IR receiver. Green, it has some fun modes like flashing. And so forth. So for us, we usually just stick to 1 or 2 colors that we like. So this is the basic kit, but what's so cool about it is there is this inline adapter that you can add in. Once you put it in, it will detect motion, and then when it detects motion, it will switch the set on for default 30 seconds. But if you open the back, there's a little dial that you can use to lengthen the on period. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to put this in a box so that it's easier to not trigger it when I'm talking. So I'm going to take an Amazon box, just put it inside. So now the strip switches itself off after the delay period, and I'm just going to wave my hand inside the box to make some motion here. And you can tell it come on, and then 30 seconds later it will go off again. While it's on, you can obviously use the remote. The kit comes with some basic mounting hardware as well, but honestly, don't bother. Just mount it yourself with double-sided tapes and other whatever tools you have, and you have a cool light in your bedroom or whatever.